Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you today with another get ready video and also a new camera. Super exciting. Today's gonna be just a simple getting ready with me, like I just said, and I'm also going to be doing a full face of drugstore brand makeup. So I'm super excited for that. It's gonna be a mixture of old makeup and new makeup. It's gonna be great. And I'm gonna remember the primer today. Yes. Alright. So first I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Master Prime primer and base. I'm running, this is an old product. You guys have seen me use this a ton of times before. Alright, we got the primer on. Get out of here. And now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is the matte version. You guys saw me use the dewy version in my last video, so I'm super excited to be trying out this version, especially because I know it's gonna be a little bit of a better match for right now. And now I'm just gonna take, I am sorry I blanked out on what this is called. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and we're gonna blend it out. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna do a second coat real quick. This is a nice medium to full coverage foundation, so she's gonna get the job done. Okay. I do have to say I am super impressed with this foundation. I know yesterday when I took it off, it was, what was it? There was still a ton of it on. Like, I don't think I've ever, at the end of the day, when I've taken a makeup wipe and taken my foundation off, had as much foundation as I had from the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, the dewy one. So I'm super excited to see what the matte one's gonna do. And I'm also going to be using an old Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer for today. I think I actually originally bought this as an eyeliner or an eyeshadow primer, or like an eyelid primer. You know what I mean. And I've ended up using it as concealer and it's pretty good. Again, with my little mini sponge, I'm just going to actually, now that I'm thinking of it, I don't think I've actually ever used this as concealer. I've only used it as my eyeshadow primer. So, but I like it. I seem to be very impressed so far. It seems to be good. I might not actually have the right color, but it's working. So I went ahead and I did my brows off camera just because I cannot do them on camera to save my life. And so yeah, I just used the infamous CoverGirl, hold on. Infamous CoverGirl, I don't know, it's their brow pencil that I got yesterday, and I hear, like I said, I hear a lot of raves about it, and I completely understand why. Super easy to use, the nice little spoolie it has at the end is awesome, and it's great. If you're just like me and you have to like just fill in your brows, you don't have to always draw them on, then I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this. Now we're gonna go in, I think I'm gonna do my bronzer first today. We're gonna mix things up. I don't know why I did it like that. And I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild contour brush. I got this baby from the dollar store. And I'm gonna be using the Ulta Beauty matte bronzer today. Light off again. Alright, I got bronzer on. You can't do it. Not in this lighting. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna, let's get started on the eyelids. I don't think there's anything else I can do for the face. Okay, I'm using, oh, sorry guys, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It makes a great eyelid primer. You do not need a lot of this either. Like, I literally, you saw, I took the lid, I dabbed it on my finger, and then I just dabbed that stuff on my eyelid, and I'm gonna spread it around. I made the mistake of trying to just take the little spatula, the little brush, and just, you don't need to do that. You don't. You really don't. Don't do that. Okay. Alright, so I've got my eyelids nice and primed for you guys, and now we're gonna go in with my LA Girl The Nudist palette. I've been really on a kick of just doing like a nice natural dark brown, or like nice brown eyeshadow, just like I did yesterday when trying out the Photo Focus foundation for the first time. And today, I think we're gonna go in, we're just gonna do a look just similar to like yesterday's. We're gonna go in with this brown right here. Because if it's not broken, don't fix it. And right now it's not broken. This look. How come this palette seems to be way more pigmented than my my ABH one? You know what I mean. I think, unlike yesterday's eye look though, I want to go in with a little bit of a sparkle and shimmer, so I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to use my finger because I can, and I'm just going to dab, 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 dab. Okay, now I'm going to do eyeliner. Today I'll be using my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. Here. Let's just do a everyday run-of-the-mill black ink eyeliner. I do really highly recommend this. It's great for the price. It's only like $8 or $9, maybe 10 depending on where you get it, and it does work really well. I'm going to do this off camera though, because like my brows, I can't do it on camera. There's the button. As you guys can see, I got my eyeliner done. They're always just gonna forever remain sisters. They're never gonna be twins. I'm working on it. They hate me though. I can never get my eyeliner straight. I feel like whenever I'm filming, I can do a great job when I'm not filming. Whenever I try to do it for YouTube and you guys, it's always like, you know how to do eyeliner, dum-dum. So this is what you guys get. Sorry. But now I'm going to go in. I did drop the ball, so I don't have any drugstore mascara. Oh wait, I might. One sec. All right. I'm a big fat liar, and I had some CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion, holy crap, mascara, so we will be using that today. I forgot how nice this mascara was. It is definitely probably one of the best drugstore mascaras I've ever used. Would have to be, yeah, CoverGirl. So I definitely recommend this. And now all that's really left to do is just set my face using like a setting powder. I was gonna do both setting powder and setting spray, but I'm like, maybe that's a little overkill. But we are gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. I like this powder. It gives your face a nice look. It's a good way to top it off. Sorry, okay. So we just topped it off with these. We're gonna hit pause on this and I'm gonna get all changed and ready for you guys, and then I'll do the final reveal. So thanks for tuning into my channel again today, guys. I just wanted to say, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And also give this video a thumbs up. I've got a ton more Get Ready With Me videos coming your way. I'm so excited. I've also got a ton of other vlogs coming your way. I'm thinking for one of my upcoming videos, I'd like to do talk about the topic of like toners and if they're actually good for your skin or not, because that's something I've been curious about. So I was like, I'm sure other people are curious about it. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, maybe that'll be coming your way, maybe it won't. So thanks for watching, and I will see you, I don't know why I did that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.